Yamamra constitution yamamra nchi amano ede emampani bia no homse constitution na yade asom ye benfie aduasa na yekire ne de na nka ne nsusue mu a saa tumi no amampani kuta o constitution mu no yenye ensakire ye ne ente so kakra se beye na mampani ne se ebia okwa achew anase oye bibi na eyemfumso a ye benya tumfumi fufuro bia wono so otene mampani no ewo na dwuma yimo de sansame tudwa wabra no ne close agadwumayefo edi enkomo
that we need to really look at an amendment of the Constitution. Our Constitution has been one that is served us very well over the last 30 years or so. It has served us very well, and it was built to provide us political stability after the turbulent years that we went through. The focus of the framers was, if you see how it was put together, is more to provide Ghana with political stability. But I think that we have attained political stability. We need a constitution that will provide us with economic development.
Abzanfonti we a Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia yetene nkene no achiri en opani Isaac Bampo Ado wono ene da Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana yetwenitia efreni se closer Ghana wono so ede kakra esoso say.
We want to believe that he's got good intentions. Well, we'll see what happens. I'm a civil servant. We support any government in power. So whoever comes, we'll support him. But these are great ideas that will move the country forward. We spoke about pensions. We also spoke about condition of service in the public services, especially this apartheid system was already administration in the public services. We also spoke about political interference. And we also spoke about what's happening at our district assemblies, where the MC has got its own task force, PM has got his task force, has got his task force. And these are issues we want to address. These are issues we want solutions, both solutions in the manifesto. It's a move in the right direction. CLOSAC as an association, we've spoken about the Presidential Act, which we say it contradicts the Constitution. Well, if that's what it's going to do, that it's going to move this country forward. Well, too much power in one person. It must be. It's a move in the right direction. CLOSAC as an association.
Abzanfonti we a Dr. Isaac Bampo Ado na epene kwancherefo eda closak ekruno anno Attorney General so de krata babonten se ambulance case ya wo court wa je se ho nkomo ne ho enfiafia ho de amanfo eka na babonten nya asem kuma no se koba so mo court na chinchinenchina yera case la to force ne ndisi amanyuko no se sa asem no a omo edi no court no kakraka no Fantu TV so na mansa nyina ni ntua mu nhye bia wo mo Attorney General atran no wo mo eni eye bibia eka wo mo fi se ne kwan so no se be na gidie e wa tentene ne atena yenim na tentene ne be koso bia e be hu se de wadifo yo no so adibimi wadibim na ntiase be ye adwuma no wo mo Attorney General for de wo mo ne asem bia ka se be da TV so se be da radio so wo mo ene wo mo eye adwene sa kwan no so abalo ya pani abedi ekire yera Alfred Tuan Yeboa eno de sansami
We believe in accountability and we abhor misreporting. And so, if the Chief Justice, in her wisdom, decides that this matter be live, we have no objection to say. In fact, the AG Fora had indicated that when it comes to public interest matters or matters where the public has that kind of interest, it will be the interest of justice that such proceedings are brought on tele and on radio. So we have no objection to it. But as I said, the CJ has final say. Not only the broadcast, we're also looking at a situation where we have day-to-day hearing so that we can get to the end of this matter as soon as possible.
Abzanfonti we a ban lawyer penny abedi ekiri lawyer Alfred Tuan Yeboa ena yete ne nke ni nyina Richard Jaka ene honorable case latte force in case ya ewo eye court wa ho nkomo ewo nchen enya asem kuma ena omo kasa ede afa ho no na yemfo nkomra se beje fiem na NPP mra se beja fo wo mra se beje fiem ede adesere etu omu nuanom NDC fu anim se so omo ye Ghana fo a omo epa oman ni ye dia omo ka kire NDC mra se beja fo na wo mra se beje fiem no se omo en support wa ban no omo a ma ban dwumadi e wo so die no enko enkan majority leader yera Alexander Afenyo Markins ne die animo ema omo yensentwefo nhye mu chechensem se aban no amakwa mamanfo akwa kosisi factory a ye fe ne se one district one factory na sa factories no o say ye adwuma na omo adwuma ye no so no esansa akwa ya de foforo ntuno be hia moa e de efro aban no ho na tax exemption a wono mo epe no companies be duana de abeda parliament o se mrase bjafo no re agitum ama aban so makwa makoye adwuma na no na NDC fo no ntiase a akwa atwema mentwe mu fi se asa NDC fo no mpe o man ni yi eno nti na ama na akwa basa no yera Alexander Afenyo Markin Abzanfonti we yera Alexander Afenyo Markin nenke yehwese eye ninsam no yebekoni akwakuti ne ne no akiri kura no osaso ediso so se womo kai pa se mampani da John Dramani mama penso na company bi pesa tax exemption yi bia no mo kra ndisi fo ndo mo homo mfa mamra se bigefie mu mampani atena ho no a no ma twotwo nkrata de akwakoma Ghana Revenue Authority ni Ministry of Finance no na womo ayedi ama womo nenso womo no womo bumra no mo temra se na womo mpese womo ebeto mranti ene ma ya mpempinu ano womo ediba mra gefiem semra se bigafo no hwe no monyintum ma ban no so emfa enye adwuma Afenyo Markins no kafa ho so enie Abzanfo mumfanche yen yera Alexander Afenyo Markins majority leader osaso mrasibegefie mrasibegeni owo mrasibegefie ma desia wo efutu abato empesua so yedemo koma me esla owusuo ono so so mrasibegeni owo mrasibegefie ma desia wo ablekuma west abato empesua so na osaso minister osho mayi ya communication hunsensem ebeto dwase abane de contract akwa company bi na company no kra say yete ye no eni na wotwekra e na by the contract akwa no say wonko ka won no mo nhwe na sa 5G no a yesi ye pese ye kɔ no yetimi akɔ no ma ye internet won sansam agina ye na ma me slow so de nchiremu abane enti a eye Next Gen Infraco Company Limited ya eni be na wotwe no wo mo etimi de contract ma wo mo sa.
There's an allegation that the company awarded this contract was formed a week before the license was granted to them. Now, this is a special purpose vehicle. Once government took the decision that we would use a neutral infrastructure company to deliver this service, there is no existing neutral infrastructure company at the moment. So it had to be specifically formed for the purpose of delivering this service based on the strategic policy decision of government. And it is born out of, as I indicated, our past experiences. And that is why we chose not to auction it. I'm sure the finance minister would have been happy if we had sold it off at auction, collected our money, and moved on.
Abzanfonti we mame eslow su minister show my Ghana communication hunsam na yete ne nkene no akire oguso a woka ne nsam no a ebobo ne nsam so ebobo companies ahodo omo ba beka aban ho na 5G no omo aye ho adwuma no a na nkane no e de fine
will enhance the lives of Ghanaians by introducing digital services in education, healthcare, digital payments, transactions, and creating sustainable jobs for value-added service operators and other tech entrepreneurs, and promote financial inclusion. The partnership will support NGIC in the entire deployment of network
Fonti we mame esla osu na yete ne nken ne nyina ne press conference enra no wo ye watena ye hwe omaida Ghana nkutahumde ho nsensem so wo matena ye na ensem wi epipie ho no ma wo ka nsem no a esum ekoko eduru no no yeto so momani tuase na wotwe nyina menstrual hygiene day onkomo na yedie na nanadwoa a window ono eneda Obapa Development Foundation no one Ghana Education Service mpenifo kabomu a omo ekoye ncheche ne nkasa ho dwumedi ewo atwema kwagoma mansinimum krobia yefene se eye kentenchiri na ehonom ene wo srese yemama ya no so muduro mu nsabuo kwan so sa no a ya yembembe wonom ne yemo awunum ewo sa kwan no sinemwa momuntimi eni wo mu huni eye
no eye da omai Ghana aka ho ewiase nyina eti sa afofida no eda yedipo ensabuo ho dawro na ansa yebebo nsabuo no ho dawro no se yehu se ede na ede ba esuso be le wo mu eye yare ana se eba wo yare eka ye nyina ya bra bo ho enye me kwa fichire asem ni se wunya o period ana se wubu nsa yempamu kotene fichire sabi prediasa tete no na yenim yesi oba bu nsa wa ye ni rufi enye efi eye nyame abode ene ode amaye
Observanti weye eye nanadwoa a window Obapa Development Foundation penin pan yetene kanen wechiri Regional Girl Child Education Officer owa santemante mudwumedie no no so ewase bia afutu no so de ma ye nie
Yes, the whole region. The district officers and my almost challenges are almost what they say. My challenges may say the restrictions and I'm not trying to part of proper challenges. I know how many of the right I don't see them who I said,
for your tour and some no sona yedemo ako and some from na Deputy Chief Executive Officer Osha Corporate Services so our Food and Drugs Authority Oraire Yvonne Nkrumah and the futu e magana made she say ye no more de bebibe no say eya na ye mieni akọ ho anke bebo say nambia ye bere no aboa na wo kwa akoku no sa no no so won fa hudi o animal rights ono so e wo bi a wo sese bi mu asem no ye ma ye ni ekọ ho ne ye bo mo fa hudi ene wo mo asetene mo e ho ban o de san sami tujawabra na empenifo edi dwuma ewo eye omayimu na okosi eye Deputy Health Minister anemu and odi afutu wi emaye
review and validate. This plan is the product of a comprehensive self-assessment of Ghana's food control systems designed to generate locally relevant evidence, identify gaps, and also provide actionable recommendations. Mr. Chairman, our goal is to systematically enhance food safety across the country. The Food Safety Master Plan is our roadmap, guiding us towards a robust and reliable food safety system. This document is a result of comprehensive efforts from food safety experts nationwide, ensuring it reflects a broad range of insights and expertise.
For Nwachiri and a Senior Programs Officer or African Union Commission so ede futu etwaso say.
Food safety is actually impacting a lot of people, the health of people, trade, economic activities, and also agricultural food security. Hence, I've also shown the economic impact that it's having on countries because of low productivity, etc. So these are, I may not be able to give you percentages, but
for year 27 so na yedemo akọ ensem fufrum na ebeto dwase soja ni bi nipa bonofo bi akunu ya wo kaso abonten so na wo ye ne mu nsam de bebrebe ebi chese ne nuanom asojafo bi ato asase wo kaso abonten so millennium city honomo ebi kra ne chese ensam de akwa bebrebe na omokoye so omokọ akoka ho asem omoduro honomo a kikiri bai no mo yo madwere so omokọ ya pusi fasutire omotena kan mu akọ police station honom ene so owura bi ese efre ne se nana Ben Lord ababio atwi tuoten edebo so geni Lance Corporal Michael Dansuku ne ya ma enei sa nana Ben Lord ya posifo ache no a wodi court atrantwia na eno akọọtụ kọtena asem no so wa Chimota District Court ma utimafo tena asem no so sa asem no omuntu nkose odomfo ya adomo a June bosome de toso dumiensa na enumuo na abusua a omode hye ni sogani no a wafiri muo no kyerese so mo ba court a ya na posifo no kyerkyere ne de omo ka twom se dako omo no mo de bebom court for no mo a omo ntimi hwehwa wo mu emepopo maningu omo so bia ni abusua panin na ya oboache ofuriata ensem eni
oyabaye Ben Lord no the lawyer for no amba so conspirator no na can say so far for the document need to Attorney General. It's only waiting for Attorney General's advice. And judge no I 2 weeks from now. Say and some review and 2 weeks. So that's it. For the family, the organs okay. Okay. But what we know is that we know that the wheel of justice grants slowly. So for us, we are not happy, but we have to wait. But I want to make a point. The family want to make a point that the intimidation police service and the Airto family is too unbearable because they are protecting the murderer rather than we the family members. You know, the guys, one of the officers told me blankly that he would shoot me. Shoot to me. Yes. Shoot to me as a spokesman of the family. Meanwhile, the criminal, not cover the name.
Abzafo nti we ya busia pani ne yete ne ke ne no akire na owura indego no a won ton asase no e de ma sojafo yi won so no wo court won mu bi na ne ono so de so ni
Adia ekoso no me hu ne se enyefe and asem we na de bia meka enipa bebre enti ase no. It seems like the criminals in this country are even protected by the police more than the good people. Na ebasa areho say police ni timi bie na no ka say obebo busuani tuo because na nsunu mo te ema say oya ade bi enye kra na eyabotre omo nso nya ade bi ebro so na de mesre IGP dampare say IGP asem we baye e foroforo kakra mesre wo say ma ohomene so na ma prepare ye ene no kra enye den enadi
fonti we aye nana indego no a wono soso ne nsam na asase no wono asojafo no koto asase ewi ase na nana Ben Lord soso abase asase ne dia kikiri ba ho atuo ekasa ya sojani FM ehwe ne nkwana no no soso ede na desire to IGP ene mperimfo animu no ye nyina we so na nsemi ye mfansi emoman hene nsa so metena se emfa ade ache bi adwumadi entoa moso midin ede na ya abo amali bi aboga no peso so na buziafo ya mama chi ebia kukua ene chinchin fidie no ede emame
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno